Welcome to this special empathy workshop. Today we're all going to learn how to better understand people. So here are faces. Now I'd like you to look at each one and tell me what is in each person's mind.
But those are just emojis.
Ready to roll? All right. Next, Michelle, what's in his mind?
His pet chameleon doesn't eat much, and he's worried that it might be sick and die soon.
Excellent. How about this?
His pet chameleon died last night, but he had to come to work today because he doesn't have any vacation days left.
Yeah, super job. You're on a roll, Michelle. Very good, Michelle. Very good. Next, Yumi, what's in his mind?
What? How am I supposed to? It's upside down.
Just roll with it.
When do people even use this emoji?
It's a real emoji. Don't question my emojis. Come on. Yumi, how about this?
He's surprised.
Why?
I don't know. A meeting got cancelled. Did you just roll your eyes?
Here's your feedback for your performance in the workshop. You have 0 talent in empathy, rolling on the floor laughing. Okay, time to look for another job.